Definitely. You woke up, I seen Caleb in the Matrix. Came from the lowest ground, going up and going down. Put in word, don't make a sound. Put it out, drop 'em wild. When they come to my way, I can't tell you my secrets. Wanna do it my way, then just study my language. I want for y'all to understand where I came from grieving. And I've been watching everything I witnessed the seasons. Respect my name, respect my face, what I attain. I was born for this, but more than working, I don't play. Respect the struggle and my pain, respect.
Hi guys, my name is Ozzy, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement. And this is the colorway / retro that released on November 23rd, 2024. I actually had the pair, the last retro that came out on February 17th, 2018. And I remember I waited in line, got in the raffle, and I was able to get the shoes. So, like, even though I won the raffle, like, there was still a line to get the shoes because all the other people that were coming to pick up the raffle. So I remember this was like the time where getting shoes was tough. Getting shoes now is tough too. Like, but most of the time I don't even get in line for shoes. I usually just get them on the sneakers app, or I catch them for resale once in a while, like months after the hype has died down. But anyway, with these shoes, I was actually I got them from JD Sports. See JD Sports in Malaysia. So I got them for like way less than what they would cost in actually, yeah, I think I got them for a little bit less just because they're in Malaysia. Because the retail for these, if I remember correctly, I think it's like 200 or 196 or something like that. Let me go ahead and check real quick, make sure I'm not tripping. Yeah, like the retail was 220, and I got these for let's see, I got these for 939 RM, which is the equivalent of 217 US dollars. You can see right here. Yeah, so it was the Air Jordan 3 Retro Black, 939 RM, 217 USD. And yeah, I also got these shoes while I was out there in Malaysia too. I got these for 64 USD, which is pretty crazy. It's 330 RM or Malaysian ringgit. Anyway, some things off the bat that I noticed that are different from the 2018 pair is that the elephant gray is a lot lighter. Like, and this part right here is like the suede. Well, it's not nubuck, it's suede. Sorry, it's not suede, it's nubuck, because when you slide your finger across it, it doesn't change colors. So this is something I noticed. But just like the 2018 retro, it's doing like the super retro where it has the Nike Air on the back, which I like a lot better. Nike Air on the back of the retro Jordan is always a better look. I mean, it's cool to have like the ones that have the Jumpman and Air on the back too, but the closer to OG, the better. So can't complain. And I like the only thing I don't like on this pair versus the 2018 pair. I wish I had the 2018 pair with me, but they're back home in Maryland, and I'm currently at my residence in California because I'm in the military. This shoe, the tumble leather, is very light and faint, and that's my only real complaint. I don't care about the light elephant gray on there as much, but the lack of like the fine tumbled leather on the uppers, I don't know. I'm not really a fan of that. But I'll take it for now because this is like the closest I can get. Because the 2018 pair, the resale is crazy. Like the resale for this the 2024 pair is like 235 for my size, which is a size 11. I got these in a size 11 and a half, and I got these in a size 12. Let me go on the GOAT real quick and see what the 2018 resale is going for. I'm pretty sure the 2018 resale is a lot higher. So yeah, 2018 resale in my size 11 and a half, is going for a whopping $403. That's crazy. So yeah, getting into 2024, even though it's slightly different and not as high quality as I'd like, still beats having to spend like almost $210 extra. So I'll definitely take it. So let's go ahead and get into the review. So you got the red Jumpman, gray tongue. You got the size label right here. Bring it a little bit closer, but it says US 12, UK 11, Europe 46, and it's got the Nike Air tag. As you can see, it's an orange tag, and this part is clear. As you can see, I put my finger behind it, it becomes the color of my finger. Let's go ahead and get all this. You got the cement gray air bubble. Very nice, very nice. And one of the things I like the most about Air Jordans 1 through 4 and even Air Force Ones is that they have the pop out 3D stars on the toe box, as well as the heel, which I think has always been a nice little touch. And Tinker Hatfield always did like these cool. Oh, actually, sorry. On the back, it's not stars, just like these little studs. But on the toe box, you see the little stars, which looks really nice, and it goes up to here. And then on the bottom of the shoe, you have the Nike in red, then this little panel in red, and then white gray. Got the black paint right here, white. And this isn't like an off-white, this is like a pure white, which is nice. Nike Air, white, black tab right here. Gray perforations on the ankle collar. You have a cement gray sock liner. Very nice. Air Jordan 3s have never been uncomfortable to me, but they haven't been particularly super comfortable. I think to this day, the most comfortable shoes got to be between the Air Jordan 7s and the Air Jordan 4s. Oh, and the Air Jordan 8s. Those are like the three most comfortable Jordans to me. The Air Jordan 1s, they kind of range depending on the colorway, because they make the material for like the ankle area different for certain colorways. I don't know why. It's not consistent. But anyway, Air Jordan 3, the comfort is all right. I always recommend going true to size. I had to go up half a size because I could not get a size 11.5 in Malaysia. They only had 11 or 12. And it's easier to fit a larger shoe than a smaller shoe. So I can just wear bigger socks. But having to wear a tight shoe is like way too uncomfortable, and it just damages your toes and cuts off circulation. So having to go half a size up, it's not bad. So my toes are more comfortable this way. So I'm here for it. And I didn't really go too much over the box. A lot of times people say I talk too much about the box, so I didn't talk about it as much, but I'll give a brief little description. Regular Jordan 3 box. Got the Nike Air on it. It's got the red Jumpman on the cover. And this was a big thing. Like same thing with the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined, the white cements. It comes with like the blueprint and of the shoes, like the design that Tinker Hatfield came up with, and like all the things that are in it, like the insole unit, the heel airsole unit, forefoot airsole unit, foot frame, midsole, outsole, and the uppers, and tells you like what everything's made out of. So you can see right here, different languages, and it says Jordan right here, and it has like the black cement print on the side, which is funny because the 2018, this black cement part is a lot darker. This one looks faded. It almost makes the shoe look way older than it really is. So like, this is what it would look like on the 2018. It literally be that design, it'd be that dark. But it's not. It is what it is. It's not like anything too crazy. And like the tag is only on the left shoe, not on the right shoe. So got these retail from JD Sports. Shout out to JD Sports in Malaysia. I'm definitely looking forward to rocking these. Got a couple fits that I could definitely wear with this. But it's now January 2nd, 2025, and I haven't worn them yet. And it's going to be my first time wearing them. It's going to be literally for this review video. So I'm definitely looking forward to rocking these. So in the next part of the video, I'm going to show you guys what these shoes look like with different pairs of pants, so you can see how to style them. And just follow me on Instagram at hey_Ozzy, HEY_OZZY. It'll be at the top left corner of this video. You'll see like right up here, somewhere around there. And you can follow me on TikTok at Ozzy with a Sprite. And I'm gonna just probably post some like videos of me wearing the shoes. But on to the next part of the video, and I'm out. Peace.
Definitely. You woke up, I seen Caleb in the Matrix. Came from the lowest ground, going up and going down. Put in word, don't make a sound. Put it out, drop 'em out. When it come to my way, I can't tell you my secrets. Wanna do it my way, then just study my language. I want for y'all to understand where I came from, grieving. And I've been watching everything I witnessed the seasons. Respect my name, respect my face, what I attain. I was born for this, but more than working, I don't play. Respect the struggle and my pain, respect the change. I became better, but I'm still the same. Interpret my words correctly and understand. You could elevate, but who you are will never change. You still you at the end of the day, and that's gon' follow you way beyond the grave. Tell me lot of time in the streets, I was beefing. Police locked me up for carrying and concealing. And I was in the cell for felonies, barely eating. Having dreams that I was free, I ain't realize I was sleeping. Living nightmares when I woke up, facing time I was tweaking. I know people talk down on me instead of praying for my spirit, but no weapon formed against me finna prosper on Jesus. Had the Bible on me daily, I ain't know I was reading. Call yourselves believers, but be acting like heathens. I thank God for darker nights, you see who's shining and gleaming. I never lost my light, I kept shining and reaching. When it come to my way, I can't tell you my secrets. Wanna do it my way, then just study my language. I want for y'all to understand where I came from grieving. And I've been watching everything I witnessed the seasons. Respect my name, respect my face, what I attain. I was born for this, but more than working, I don't play. Respect the struggle and my pain, respect the change. I became better, but I'm still the same. Interpret my words correctly and understand. You could elevate, but who you are will never change. You still you at the end of the day, and that's gon' follow you way beyond the grave. Grateful for my family, cause all they gave was love. They really stuck with me when I was in the mud. They called me out and told me soon that I would jump. Devil speaking down, he tryna fill my cranium. Told them prepare yourself, cause what is done is done. May 7th came and I rose up just like the sun. 3 bands and I had to get my lawyer for this gun. I play where I'm from and it reminds me where I was. Thank God for this cheddar, shout out Bryce Feather. God made me a diamond through this gorgeous press. Learn the hardest lessons, but they all blessings. I do not regret it, it made me fall better. When it come to my way, I can't tell you my secrets. Wanna do it my way, then just study my language. I want for y'all to understand where I came from grieving. And I've been watching everything I witnessed the seasons. Respect my name, respect my face, what I attain. I was born for this, but more than working, I don't play. Respect the struggle and my pain, respect the change. I became better, but I'm still the same.
Keep it going.
Interpret my words correctly and understand. You could elevate, but who you are will never change. You still you at the end of the day, and that's gon' follow you way beyond the grave. Keep old couple, definitely. Dicen que en este cubanito está escapado. Cuba el capo me quedó humillado. Y si no sabía hubiera preguntado. Preparando nuevos ritmos lo pongo en salsa. Sé que soy un joven pero bien rankeado. Antes de nacer estaba preparado. Start with a little faith and then you go and sprout. You're sleeping on your dreams cause you get left out. Everything's attainable, I'll tell you right now. Don't pay attention to a hater, let the love go out. They already down, they gon' try and hand out. I'd rather motivate so y'all can scream and shout. First things first. Staring at the pot, I made a brand new sound. Put it on the plate and then I surveyed it out. Y'all was getting plain, I had to bring some style. Cause people get tired of the same thing. I recycle my flows and I reclaim, but I switch them and flip them like S-games. That's the difference between you and me, man. Versatility originally made. I make my own juice just like lemonade. Make a sucker's face fuck when they get a taste. Always feed all the envy they generate. I got values that's on me they wanna take. I got more but they stored up and put away. Tryna heal is you can't even find a say. No. Creep on who? Good luck on you. I ain't gon' hesitate. What would you do if they tryna take you when you had the right spread? Call my godfather to put a hit on you, he'll drop the crane. Call up the morgue to fit in your body, pick out a grave. Dicen que en este cubanito está escapado. Cuba el capo me quedó humillado. Y si no sabía hubiera preguntado.